My name is Derek and today I'm going to be showing you a repair. Now this repair might seem a little unorthodox, but it's definitely going to fix the problem at hand. Let's get into the video. This is a PS5 logic board. Someone was attempting to get at the HDMI, which needs to be replaced, but in the process, they pulled the fan connector off the board and did a bit of damage. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix that. And luckily I have the original connector, which is going to make this repair a lot easier to do. And in this repair, I'm going to be using two items that you typically wouldn't see in the repair industry, and that is baking soda and super glue. This is extra thin super glue, and together they form a chemical reaction, forming an instant plastic. These two work really well hand in hand in fixing a lot of damaged goods and filling gaps between things. If you ever need to fix something and fill the gaps, then having baking soda and super glue is an amazing trick. Let me show you what I mean. And one of the first things that I'm going to do is form a little barrier using some Captain tape. As you can see, we've still got these traces that we are actually going to be able to reuse. And these external ones are grounders, and the center one is also ground. But here we've got a line that we need to fix, and this line as well. And here on the connector, you'll see that the grounds have nothing to do with each other. The grounds actually don't serve any purpose in this connector. It's the center pin that is the ground that's important. So the connector goes on like this. And what I want to do is rebuild these pads under here. We still have, luckily, these traces that we can use to go over here, but these are pretty weak, so I'm going to quickly secure them down with a little bit of baking soda. I'll kind of smush that down, and I'm going to pin these down while we glue them in place. Just like that. Now we can zoom down and on in there, and we're going to reveal this trace here. Alright, so we've got the base of the made. I'm going to carefully peel up this portion on both sides, and we'll scrape away the green coating on the traces. Alright, we're going to add some 183 solder paste. And we're going to fold down our traces. We'll add some baking soda to the leg area. Now we'll line up the connector itself, and we'll push down and add the super glue. You can see it spreads to wherever the baking soda is until it's used up. And that's is already really sturdy on there, but I'm going to reinforce it on the sides here with some more baking soda. You'll see it continue to absorb any of the remaining super glue. We'll come on the other side and do the same thing. Now I'm just gonna brush around, just making sure that it really gets into all of the little nooks and crannies, absorbing all of the remaining super glue, and then whatever's left will blow away. I can pick up the board with that. It sits on there nice and it's not coming off. For the end, we will add 183 to each one of these pins here. We'll take our iron and solder them down.
I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Add some ice alcohol.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I love.
And then we need to test it. Should be getting ground on the middle pin. Should be getting 0.45 on this one and 0.45 on this one. Yeah, so we are good on both those pins, and that is fixed. Not going anywhere. Now I can just peel off the Captain tape, and there you go. It's not going anywhere, and I can literally hold up the board with it. So that should stay on and not pop back off. And all the pins are good. So click the link right here if you want to see the HDMI repair. So there you go. Fixing pads and fixing a connector like this isn't always easy, and sometimes you have to go to extra measures to make sure that the damage won't occur again. Leave a comment below with the methods that you would use. Don't forget to like the video on your way out. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.